Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In our lab in Auckland, we reprogram various instrument clusters from Japanese imported vehicles from Japanese to English. In this brief video, we'll show you the menus of the Nissan Serena C27 van in Japanese and the same cluster after we have reprogrammed it into English. The video is self-explanatory. You'll see that there were no user-accessible menus to change cluster from Japanese to English. All warning messages were in Japanese. After we reprogrammed it into English, all warning messages were displayed in English and all menus were also in English. Thank you for watching.